Hello everyone, this is Lotali Mimi and welcome back to my video. In this video, we will learn the names of some leaves. So let us start. Leaf of sweet potato is called Gejana in Idu Mishmi language. Shaggy soldier is called Arenakri in Idu Mishmi language. There are many kinds of fern. This is one of them, and the name of this fern is called Ahopi in Idu Mishmi language. This type of fern is called Ahongana in Idu Mishmi language. And this type of fern is called Anjichu in Idu Mishmi language. This can be eaten as a vegetable. East India bower is called Tupurna in Idu Mishmi language. This can be eaten as vegetable. Bohonia is called Sushilina in Idu Mishmi language. Giant palm grass is called Echona in Idu Mishmi language. This can be used as plate or to pack something. Guava leaf is called Mudurana in Idu Mishmi language. Banana leaf is called Ajina in Idu Mishmi language. And if it is wild banana leaf, then it will be called as Atana in Idu Mishmi language. Leaf of Rembai is called Suboshina in Idu Mishmi language. Kena is called Alana in Idu Mishmi language. It can be used to serve food items or to pack food items. Trema is called Etokona in Idu Mishmi language. Leaf of taro is called Sonapra in Idu Mishmi language. This can be used to feed pigs, and this part can be eaten, and the name of this part is called Sonu in Idu Mishmi language. Stem of the taro is called Sombo in Idu Mishmi language. This is really very useful. You can eat or you can feed to your pigs. Leaf of tomato is called Anasruna in Idu Mishmi language. Tomato is called Anasru and the na is leaf in Idu Mishmi language. Esasino adulujinga usimino ulujidanga Esasino Atulujinga usimino ulujidanga Praaliga me esashia Asipriga me esashia Ho Praaliga me esashia Asipriga me esashia Nuile nangawi machiloba Esasino Atulojinga Usimino Ulojidanga Esasino Atulojinga Usimino Ulojidanga La 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 Gamotreta is called Papure in Idu Mishmi language. Mexican tea is called Agobra in Idu Mishmi language. Giant taro is called somadras in Idu-Mishmi language. Horseweed is called ipubuna in Idu-Mishmi language. Cassava is called geduna in Idu-Mishmi language. This can be eaten or feed to our pigs. Bamboo leaf is called mangena in Idu-Mishmi language. Bitter vine is called ayauna in Idu-Mishmi language. This is medicinal leaf. Congo jute is called atrulo in Idu-Mishmi language. Papaya leaf is called umurtana in Idu-Mishmi language. Brahia is called sarena in Idu-Mishmi language. Kalabansa is called ainjena in Idu-Mishmi language. Cascota salina is called eawe in Idu-Mishmi language. Three-leaved wild vine is called autrana in Idu-Mishmi language. Brenia is called tanukopana in Idu-Mishmi language. Palm grass is called aholana in Idu-Mishmi language. Stepania is called achokapana in Idu-Mishmi language. Amelia is called jarmuna in Idu-Mishmi language. We can use this to feed our pigs. Knotweed is called lubruna in Idu-Mishmi language. Solanum virum is called Tanoseteca in Idu-Mishmi language. It is a perennial shrub with a pricky stem and pricky leaves. Rubus is called Eotrepa in Idu-Mishmi language. It is a creeper plant with pricky stem and pricky leaves. Creeping Jenny is called Achamri in Idu-Mishmi language. It is a medicinal plant. It has sticky seeds which we call apitru in Idu-Mishmi language. Pacholi is called marsana in Idu-Mishmi language. We can eat this as vegetable. Ageratum is called Anopocina in Idu-Mishmi language. This is also a medicinal plant. Grass is called apisu in Idu-Mishmi language. Locust is called sindimbona in Idu-Mishmi language. Blackjack is called achimuthu in Idu-Mishmi language. This is also a type of apitru. Etani chicha video ali ma dubai ene etani chicha video prambudu uji sheda uji ayo ene prajiji bapu